We say, Kutia Yatumba, the gods and the spirits of our earth has returned to heaven. Say, Ayela Jarunile, Ayela Jarunile, earth is a marketplace, heaven is our home. So before you, we have coming back to home. As we greet Kabiesi, 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 Kabiesi. We greet His Highness Oba Adejike Oyotunji. We greet all of the residents of the palace. We greet all of the chiefs. We greet all of the babas. And in the name of all of the residents of Oyotunji, we welcome you to Igbega Odun Oba. Read you me. Odun Oba 2020. Eko Odun. Everybody say Eko Odun. Eko Odun. Eko Odun. Our King, the heavenly dwellers that protect us, of the royal lineage of the Ade Aladahunu Oyewole Ade Fumi family, and dynasty and legacy, as we stand on their shoulders. We welcome our great mother, our great teacher, our great Iya Oba, the mother of the Oba, our great road opener of Eshu, Olorisha Eshu. We welcome our Olorisha Yeye Iya Oba, Eshu Ogo Oyewole Kaba Yeye